We're far away, that's good. That's so far. Yeah, got it.
Souvenir.
Ooh, pretty. Because at 10 o'clock the Macy's fireworks spectacular starts right about that time. Whoa! Wow, they made it spectacular for us.
Digital film cheap. You know they pack those by hand.
Yeah.
I just think that's incredible.
Happy 4th, everybody!
Independence!
And throw card!
They gave us all. Wow. You know, I bet that's what that chemical barge was for. Earlier. I bet there's what that special like chemical barge was for.
Why do you keep giving these crazy ass kids these damn cards? Please turn right. Never mind, I got my phone. I'm gonna have to run back to the
Wait,
yard.
what?
It's empty.
I said if Rachel wanted
Oh, why is she calling you?
she just wanted to see what's
Oh, okay.
So if you want to